In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a numbered list in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to organize information clearly and concisely, you'll know how useful a numbered list can be. Whether you're drafting a report, creating an agenda, or preparing for a presentation, knowing how to do this efficiently in Google Docs is a handy skill. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Google Docs. This is the initial step, and it sets everything else in motion. Once you hit that search button, you should see a link to Google Docs in the results. Clicking on this link will take you directly to the Google Docs homepage. Once you're there, make sure you're logged in. If you're not, go ahead and enter your login credentials. Logging in will give you access to your documents, whether they're new ones you're about to create or existing ones you've been working on. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to use Google Docs. Now that you're logged in, go ahead and open Google Docs. You can choose to start with a blank document or open one that you've been working on. Either way, this is where the magic happens, and we start creating that numbered list. Next, you'll navigate to the top menu bar of your document. Here, you'll find an option labeled Format. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu of formatting options available for your document. In this menu, you'll want to look for the option called Bullets and Numbering. This is an essential step, as it contains the features we need to create our numbered list. Once you've found it and clicked on it, you'll be presented with several choices. Within the Bullets and Numbering menu, you'll notice an option titled Numbered List. This is exactly what we're looking for. Go ahead and select it, and you'll see different numerical styles available. Choose the one that best fits the tone or style of your document. This customization allows your list to seamlessly blend with the rest of your document's format. And there you have it. You've just crafted a numbered list in Google Docs. It's a simple tool, yet powerful for keeping your data and thoughts organized. The next time you have a series of points to make or steps to outline, you'll be ready to do so with clarity and precision. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to bookmark it for the next time you need a refresher or to share it with someone who might benefit from learning these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!